finding the next big crypto gem can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. So many options out there, it's easy to get lost pretty much. Make them costly mistakes. Trust me, I've been there, I've done it, I've fallen into it all. And I'm hopefully here to help you understand the basics you can do to kind of help you find them crypto gems. So what I'm going to do here is going to be hopefully a quick enough process to kind of start you off. It's not going to get you to all the juicy parts. I suppose the key here is watching. I'll be creating another video that will talk a bit more and go a bit more in detail into this. But however, the starting point here for that I do for everything is going over here to DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is a great resource to help you kind of get an understanding of what's happening in different chains and things like that. So with this in mind, we're jumping straight obviously over DeFi Llama, looking at Sonic up here, then we go down. There's one bar here basically really popping off straight away, and it's this one. Shadow Exchange fees earned over the last 24 hours, $109,000. See there that it's well and above the rest in the entire space. Now, again, you have to double check this to make sure it's accurate, things like that, and go into chats and discuss it and find out. But again, it's a starting point. So you can see here we have Shadow Exchange. You can see it at the moment. It's listed in top 6 in all platforms on Sonic, again, which is brilliant to see. And overall, the growth hasn't been extreme over the last month in comparison to other platforms. But again, it's after having its initial pump, it's after having its initial sell off, and now we're hopefully in the accumulation phase again. So next, what I do is jump over to Dex Screener. This is pretty much gives me an idea of the chart and what it looks like. So obviously, in the chart here, you can see we had accumulation, then we had the pump, then we had a sell off, and again, what we're happening now, we had initial sell off again, kind of, and now we're pretty much at a accumulation phase. Now, alongside you have this, you have obviously S is pumping again. So Bitcoin is obviously going well, and now we have S is starting to pump, which it's only a matter of time pretty much before everything else starts to follow along here. So hopefully here we're starting to curve along the bottom, and now we're starting to see growth. So to get back to all-time high again, it's 4x. So yeah, it's almost a 4x to get back to all-time high. See the yellow line here is where I would have bought some of it. Again, showing proof there that I do buy high as well. However, I don't sell. Don't sell when it's down, because I know myself we'll get back up to these levels again. So the chart overall looks okay now to me. It looks interesting enough to get back into it. Shadow Exchange, again, is it something that I want to be investing into? Am I happy investing into it? Again, ticks the box. Yes, I am. I'm yield farming. You can see from a lot of stuff I produce. Talk about yield farming and opportunities here for high yields. Even on this position at the moment, SUSDC can get up to 1,200% for farming. So this is something I'm going to have to jump straight back into after this video to kind of double check this and potentially farm this position. With that, I can earn X Shadow. With X Shadow, you have a host of different options. What you can do with it, you can buy it, you can keep it, you can sell it, you can lock it, you can vote for different pools. Check out my Twitter account. I have a video recently posted. See it there. Actually, you won't see it now. You see it by the time you're watching this video. It should be posted. That goes over what the earnings and how it works and stuff like that, and a strategy I have built for it. So look, that's pretty much giving you an idea how to find a crypto gem. Again, it's a very basic level. I'm wanting to try and start everyone off on the right position and stuff like that. But as I said, it is key to kind of have a good solid foundation for you to be finding these ones. So look, we're going to leave it there. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.